Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to avoid some of the common problems that are faced while installing a software. Alright, especially I learned a couple of things while installing MSP430 and I thought I would share that with you. So whenever you try to install MSP430 related softwares like IAR Embedded Workbench or CCS or Eclipse or Energia or whatever IDE, there are some basic requirements. So first of all, we know the hardware requirements, like your PC should be Pentium compatible, of course. Then if you are installed Windows XP, make sure you have Service Pack 3. If it's Vista, Service Pack 2, Windows 7, then Service Pack 1. Windows 8 and 10, no problem. Then it can work both in 32-bit and 64-bit variants. So make sure you got a decent browser with the internet, then at least 1 GB RAM, 2 GB free hard space. Alright, and yeah, some kind of development board related to MSP430. Alright, so once you got the hardware up and running, now you should consider yourself getting prepared for installing the softwares. So for Energia, it doesn't matter much, and even for IAR Embedded Workbench, it doesn't matter much. But whenever you try to install CCS or Eclipse, you will run into a couple of issues. First of all, before installing any software, make sure you install all the redistributable packages, that is VC++ packages from get into PC. Now just type this in your Google browser, VC++ get into PC, and you will ultimately end up in this particular website. Scroll down, yeah, there you see Visual C++ redistributable packages. Click this. So what you see here is different versions of VC++, Visual C++ packages. Make sure you install them. So you click here to download, and yeah, then it'll ask again to continue and stuff. Yeah, once you have downloaded, it looks something like this. Alright, so make sure you extract it using a built-in extractor, or you can even install 7-zip and extract files. Alright, it's extracted. Alright, so fix, you see 2013, make sure you click them, and I have already installed, so it's asking for repair and install stuff. I want to cancel, so make sure you install both of them, both the 64 and the 32-bit version. Alright, so yeah, once you install them, the next step is to install the JRE, which is the Java runtime environment. Luckily for Eclipse and for CCS, you need this to run, to work. Alright, so just type Java SC now, Java SC download. Alright, Java SC downloads, it's going there. Yeah, there you go, Java SC 9.0.1, and what we need is this JRE. Alright, just click download, make sure you click this accept the license. Alright, and then go to Windows offline. Yeah, make sure you download this file. Alright, so I have already downloaded it, so let me show you. So I have already downloaded the Java file. It looks something like this. Now double click this, make sure you allow the user access control, then wait for it. I have already installed the Java, so I don't know what to expect. and you'll have options to install. So just click install next, whatever install. You see it's installing. Wow, I have already installed, but it's still installing. Well, never mind. So okay, once you have done these two, you're good to go. But again, there is one more catch. Sometimes you might end up with driver problems, while connecting MSP430 to your PC. So in that case, open a tab and type MSPDS, right? MSPDS. Click the first one, first link that opens. There you go, MSPDS USB drivers. Click this get software, and it'll ask for login credentials. So let it install. See, MSP430 driver setup zip. Click this. It'll ask for login. So I have already logged in, and I have downloaded the MSP430 driver setup. Alright, it looks something like this. Let me show you here. It looks something like this. So I'm going to extract this, right. Yeah, so that's how it looks like, once you extract a TIMSP430 driver setup. Click this, there you go, you got this little application. Double click that. It should install in a minute. Yeah, allow any user account control, access control. Next, I accept. Next. So by this way you can make sure there is no driver problem, and also to secure the future so that you don't run into any kind of driver problems. Alright, so let me get into a more specific case in Eclipse. Alright, so with Eclipse you might sometimes get this error called .dll error. So what you do is you again type MSPDS in your Google browser and open this MSPDS stack developers package. You see that? Get this software. Alright, the software looks something like this. So once you download it, it looks something like this. So you have to extract it. So extracted one looks something like this. Double click that. You see these two DLLs. So what you do is, I have the Eclipse installed, so you go there, go to the Eclipse. I have installed it in the install directory, program files, Eclipse toolchain. You see that? Toolchain and bin. So inside this bin, you see I have pasted this. So let me delete this and show you. Alright, so get these two files from this package and just drop it in the MSP430 toolchain, and this should definitely get the error away. Alright, this is something I tried and it worked. So that's it guys, thanks for listening. Do let us know what you think about this video.